going to be showing you how to make a text-based t-shirt design in Canva. Yes, you heard me right, a text-based t-shirt design in Canva. So without wasting much of the time, we're just going to go straight right into it. We're going to make this as fast, as quick, as straightforward as possible. So all you need to do is to click on create a design, custom dimension. Yes, for this, the custom dimension for t-shirt design is 4500 by 5400. Remember this, write it down, save it so that you always use this. So this is the custom dimension pixel. As you can see, not inches, not millimeters, not centimeter, pixel. Then you click on create design, it's going to open on a new tab. So now, once we have that open on a new tab, we just have that. So now we have this is opened. It's opened. Oh, sorry about that. So we have that opened on a new tab. Just have that open on a new tab. So I'm trying to reduce it, fit. So we can reduce this. So let's get rid of that. So now we have it open a new tab. So this is going to be a typography t-shirt design, a text-based t-shirt design. So all we need for this is the text. So we'll click on that. So now with this, we're just going to click on find a font. We're going to be using a fanciful font for this one. We're going to be using a fanciful font for this one. So let's scroll and find that. So let's see, let's use this. So click on that. As you can see, it's quite small. So we're going to make that big by moving our cursor to this edge and just increasing that. So we press now. Once we move our cursor to this edge, left mouse click button, press down, drag your mouse outwards to increase that, and you just move that like so. So for this, we're just going to change all these different fonts. So this is going to say I am it's going to say I am the best. I am the best thing. So let's just do for you. Let's do 10 for everyone. So as you can see, so this one is just a simple design, super simple design. Then the best thing for everyone. So now we have that. You can just highlight this 4 and just change the color of that. Let's see how that looks. As you can see. So for this one, you can just Ctrl A and just type in something like try me out. As you can see, just say try me out. So now we might want to just increase on this. So I'll ungroup these 3 layers so that I can edit them separately. So for this, I'm just going to increase this try me out. like so. I'll increase this a bit again. Remember the way I told you how to increase stuffs? So we just turn this and just make it overlap so that we can change the colors. So we'll go to colors and just change that. We can use that. So as you can see, we have our design. It says, I'm the best thing for you. I'm the best thing for everyone. Try me out. You see, these simple designs make a lot of sense. You see, people miss out on something. They just feel, no, why would you just put a text-based design and expect to print this and people will want to buy it or use it for your t-shirt business? It sells a lot. You want to try it for yourself. This simple design sells a lot. If you don't believe it, then go check sites out and you'll see for yourself. Go do your research. Text-based typography t-shirt designs sell a whole lot, and they are not complicated to get done. As you can see, this one did take us time. Let me show you my time on this. This is just about 6 minutes. It didn't take us time to get this done. So remember our last lecture when we talked about Pro versus Canva Lit. This is where you need it. So this is a white background. So now if I click on download, as you can see, I can't use the white background because to tell me I need the Pro version. As you can see, it says I need the Pro version. But so now if you click on this one, it's going to prepare our downloads. So as you can see, we have this downloads ready. So if you open that, show folder. So if you click on it, as you can see, this is our design. But as you can see, you have the white background. And if you are serious about print on demand, you're serious about your t-shirt business, you're serious about t-shirt printing, please, you need Canva Pro so you can get rid of this white background. Remember to watch lecture 6. Remember to watch lecture 7. Remember to watch lecture 7 to know how to do that. So you can see it's a simple design, but trust me, when you put it on a shirt, you put it on a white shirt, on a different color. Obviously, you can't put it on a black shirt because you won't see your write-ups, but you can change that. You can just go back. You can just go back and change this. Just click on that and just go back and change it to. So you see your document colors, you can just go back and change it to white, whatever. You can change that to white, you can change that to full red. So it's up to you, just up to you, whatever you want to do. You can change that to gray, a darker version of gray. And if you want the 4 to stand out, you just click on that 4 and just make that a different color. So you see, just like that, you can change the colors, have different colors for different shirts, have for a black shirt, for a white shirt, and you're good to go. So with that said, I'm going to show you how to make a graphics only shirt in lecture number 9. So with that said, stay blessed, and I'll see you on that one.